video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I wish this the time the tutorial how install the voltmeter on the motorcycle. The two back version. First, aswed driver plus. Step 2, second, where does the 14 wedges, wedges. 3, the double type, black, the waterproof. Okay, go to the installing, so let's go. Okay, remove the left and right rear view mirror with a quick 17. 1. Remove the front cover of the motorcycle handlebar by removing the screw using a plus screwdriver, left and right. The carefully remove the front cover because it the money break. So calculation is do hard. Remove the speedometer fastening screw on the top. 10. Look for the recessed electric current like this by warping into the voltmeter is attached on the LED light, the plug and the LED into the lamp socket for the cover and rear mirror with the reverse installation. The result are the like keys. To the pressure battery capacity when used on the electric start, turn signal light left and right, hazard and horn. Capacity of battery. The price of the voltmeter varies from the first of 10 to 100 of the thousand of the rupiah. What I buy the waterproof, the price is 15,000 rupiah. To buy it the variety of motorcycle plates.